Hello guys, my name is Maria Camila Puentes. My presentation is Accountant Tutorial. Today I want to show you the word of accounting. What is accountability? Control a recording system of the expenses and income and other economic operation carried would be a company or entity. Question. We will ask some very easy to learn questions. What is a system? A system is a set of elements that interact with each other and that work together to achieve the objectives. What is the material of the fact and the verification? It serves to have a physical support to the very fact. What accounting standard do you know? Basic rules, technique standards, general technical standards, and the specific standards. Who is obligated to skip the account? Article in 19 of the Commercial Code states that everyone who is considered a merchant, regardless of the whether it's a natural or the legal picture, is obligated to keep account of their daily operation and in accordance with legal requirements. What are the qualities of accounting information? Relevance information makes a difference in the decision making. Reliability information is variable, factual, and neutral. Comparability information can be used to compare different entities. Consistency information is consistent present from the year to year. What does the PUC mean? The single chart accounts skid uniformity in the reckoning of economic operation carried out by merchant in the order to all transparency of accounting information and consequently its quality, reality, and comparability. What is accounted? It's a register where the operations that take place in the day-to-day of the company are the indicated and the record chronologic. What is a debiting? What is debited of an account that is also known as charger in accounting in the traditional marking, and the entry in the bit refers to entry to the left of the safety. The marking strange in the debit in asset and expense accounts. This accounts discrepancy. Accounted threat. Debit credit. What is a credit? The reason for a credit is a way to finance the payment of the purchase. The rents takes place afterwards during a period of the time agreed with the accreditor. It's a financing operation in which a person or entity lends a creditor an amount of money another person. How are accounts classified? Assets, expenses, liabilities, equity, income or revenue. Thank you. I hope you have learned a lot and liked it. Goodbye.